Hi, this is Walker with Sell House Columbus, and I'm here with George Christopher, and we are purchasing his home. And just wanted to get a couple questions from you, George. And how did you hear about us initially?
Actually, I found it on the Google search. You're the first ones on there.
Okay, awesome. And did you like the website when you got on?
Yes.
Yeah. All right, awesome. And how has your experience been working with us so far?
Very good, because everything's been explained to me and taken care of.
Awesome. Well, we try to do good business, and if you were to tell someone that's thinking about selling their home about us, what would you tell them, and why would you tell them to work with us?
Yes, I would recommend you because you're very thorough and you just get things done. So I
Awesome.
understand it.
Thanks, George. Yeah, we try to do what we say every time, and we definitely appreciate you, and we're looking forward to getting this thing done with you. Thanks.